Hi, I'm Laurie. I'm here with my two daughters, Gemma and Bailey, and we are KZN Midlands with your tweens.
Hi, I'm Gemma. I'm 12 years old.
Hi, I'm Bailey and I'm 10 years old. We've been living in Hilton for 4 years now. It's an absolute nature's paradise.
Besides the Hilton forests, you can also go down to Midmar Dam as well as the Carkloof area plus the Dargle Valley to go and enjoy plenty of nature activities with you and your family.
Today we've come to Hilton College Nature Reserve. It is 23 degrees today. It's a perfect day to get active.
Oh, we just love the Hilton College Nature Reserve. We love going into the forest to cycle and trail run, as well as heading down to the Hilton Nature Reserve where we get to go and walk amongst the giraffe, zebra, blesbok, impala, as well as seeing the wildebeest in the distance. We do see jackal as well, and we've come across snakes and all sorts of plant life. It's very exciting down there with hardly anyone who goes. There's even a picnic site, a shower, toilet, and it's all clean. So follow us further as we head into the Hilton Nature Reserve to get active.
We got so close to the giraffe, zebra and blesbok. It was so cool.
Head on over to our website www.KZN Midlands with Tweens, where we give you tips and ideas of what you can do in the Hilton College Nature Reserve for your day out.
My favourite part of the day was the butterflies circling around us.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for further episodes.
Next week we head to Piggly Wiggly for a shopping and food sensational day.
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and see what we're up to for our next episode.